Hi, this is Dr. Shirley Caruso. Thank you for joining me for developing content from a storyboard design. In this tutorial, you will learn the importance of following a storyboard when developing content. You will view a storyboard from a new hire orientation created on bubble.us. And finally, you will view a new hire orientation developed with Prezi Present. A storyboard is a graphic representation of how your instructional design product, in this case, a new hire orientation, will be developed, topic by topic and subtopic by subtopic. Your storyboard will visually guide you throughout the development phase. By storyboarding for your new hire orientation, you know which topics and subtopics you need to develop and what content to include. A storyboard is especially important for a content developer who is not the same person as the instructional designer. The great majority of the time, instructional designers work in teams. The content developer takes the storyboard from the designer and develops content based on the details of the storyboard. It's important to include enough detail for the content developer to assure the instructional designer's vision for the design is carried out. Storyboarding takes place in the design phase of the Ed.D model. Content development, based on the storyboard design, takes place in the development phase of the Ed.D model. This image is a storyboard that was created for a new hire orientation for the waitstaff training for Rosie's Restaurant. It was created using bubble.us. As you can see here, the new hire orientation will include 6 topics. They are history, dress code, benefits, mission statement, location, and contact. What you also see here is that under each topic is a subtopic. For example, under history, you will learn further about how the company began. So the subtopic is titled, How Did It All Begin? You will also see under dress code that the designer wants an image of the uniform required to be displayed. Under the topic of benefits, there is a subtopic titled We Care. Under the topic of mission statement, there is a subtopic, Finest Quality at Lower Price. Under location, a subtopic of Coming Soon. And under contact, a subtopic of By Phone. One thing you will notice for Prezi Presenter is that you are able to create topics and you are able to create subtopics. So in this storyboard, the subtopics and the topics are all designed here. The content developer then would take this design and develop content based on this design. In other words, the content developer would not include 2 subtopics under history because only one is designed. The content developer would not only include a main topic for mission statement and exclude the subtopic because the designer has designed a subtopic for this topic mission statement. So this design should be followed closely when developing content. This image is a screenshot of a Prezi presentation developed with Prezi Presenter based on the design of the storyboard that was created with bubble.us. Here you can see that the developer included main topics, history, dress code, benefits, mission statement, location, and contact. Let's head over to Prezi to see if the storyboard was followed for the subtopics. Here we are in the edit mode of Prezi Present, and you can see that this project is Rosie's Restaurant New Employee Orientation. And here you can see that there is a main topic: history, dress code, benefits, mission statement, location, and contact. So we can see that the developer did follow the main design for these main topics in this project. We can also see that there are subtopics included here, but they're rather small, so we cannot really get the full vision of this presentation unless we actually present it. So let's present it to see how closely the instructional designer, the content developer, followed the storyboard for this project. So we're going to make this go all the way to the beginning. And we can see that the main history tab does have a subtopic: how did it all begin? And as you recall, the design has a subtopic: how did it all begin, under history. So that was developed correctly based on this design. Next is dress code and benefits. Each of these have subtopics. Dress code has an image of the uniform, and benefits has a subtopic called We Care. Continuing in the presentation, we see that dress code has a subtopic with an image of the uniform, and there is also some text on the flip side of that subtopic. So as you have already learned, each main topic and subtopic is two-sided, so both of those sides have to be populated. And let's check the next topic, which is benefits. And we do see that benefits has a subtopic called We Care. Next, we're going to check mission statement, location, and contact. For the main topic mission statement, there's a subtopic titled Finest Quality at Lowest Price. Location has a subtopic, Coming Soon. And contact has a subtopic, By Phone. Let's see how closely this storyboard design was followed when developing the content. Continuing with the presentation, we see mission statement does have a subtopic called Finest Quality at Low Prices. We see that location has a subtopic, Coming Soon. And we see that contact has a subtopic, By Phone. So the content developer has followed the design of the storyboard. 6 main topics, 6 subtopics. What you will do throughout the semester is go back to your own storyboard and develop content based on the design of your storyboard. When I evaluate your submissions, I'm going to look to see how closely you followed your storyboard. So this semester, you are both the instructional designer and you are the content developer. I thank you again for joining me. In this tutorial, you have learned the importance of following a storyboard when developing content. You viewed a storyboard for a new hire orientation created on bubble.us. And finally, you viewed a new hire orientation developed with Prezi Present. You saw how closely the storyboard was followed when developing content for this new hire orientation. I hope this tutorial has been helpful.